Welcome back, you beautiful people. Today we're at 1458 C Heatherington. See your C walk. As always, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, share this with someone who you think might like a home just like this one. What have we got today, Noam?
Today we have a beautiful 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom condo townhouse that's move-in ready for a new family to come in. It's freshly painted and it's beautiful.
This neighborhood is absolutely well known for upsizers, downsizers, first-time buyers, and people who like to live an easy life. So let's stop talking about it. We'll go inside and have a look. Whew. Coming in from the cold, love it in here. Ceramic tiles, keep your floors clean. You've got your stairs headed upstairs, but I'm not going upstairs. I'm headed right into the kitchen. Love me some kitchen. We've got granite counters, great backsplash, the white kitchen, bright, airy, beautiful, double sink, a huge window to watch the comings and goings in the neighborhood, a brand new microwave, and everything is white colored, including your dishwasher, stove, and your fridge. That's the fridge, that's the stove. And check those things out.
And if you have kids, you can use this window to play peekaboo. An oversized living room where it's connected to your backyard, where you don't have neighbors in the rear side. And also we're connected to the hallway here where we're gonna go upstairs.
Let's go upstairs. And the second floor has everything you need. Bedrooms, washroom, the washroom's been painted, new light fixtures throughout, a huge primary. Great, let me just use this for a second.
And here we have 2 good-sized bedrooms with lots of natural light. We have nice brown floor that gives you a really nice homey feel. Here we have the basement that has lots of room for all your storage.
Or room to play if you're a kid. We've got a furnace, and of course that's way better than electric baseboard heating. You've got your washer dryer here. You can finish it if you want, don't finish it, whatever you like, you've got the space.
Here we have the backyard with an ample amount of space and a nice shed in the back.
You've got no rear neighbors here, and we're known in this location for great walking distance, great transit distance. You're pretty much in the heart of the city. There's nothing else that you could want in this neighborhood. So if you'd like to book your own private showing, as always, give us a phone call, the number 1-888-REAL585. And until next time, keep it real.
Collective.